If you want to change lock screen wallpaper on Motorola Moto G87, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings you're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to personalize. Now once you open this menu, then over here we should be able to tap on the lock screen here, and then you should be able to choose any of these categories that you want to use. So in my case I'm gonna choose curated images, and most likely if you choose this you will open this menu. And in that case, if you do have wallpaper and style, you can just tap on more wallpapers over here to finally choose any of the wallpapers that you have available on your phone. So in my case, I'm gonna go to landscapes over here, and as you can see, we have a bunch of different wallpapers that we can easily use on our phone. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one up. Over here, I'm gonna just choose this one. You can still tap on the preview in order to zoom in, zoom out, and move left and right if you want to. And then tap on this check in the upper right corner, and then you can set your wallpaper. Now, since we want to change it just for the lock screen, I'm gonna uncheck the home screen. You can just tap on it to uncheck, and then tap on set. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to have our lock screen wallpaper updated. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.